Hey, you guys want to know if all Costa sunglasses are polarized? Well, I'm going to tell you, and I'll also tell you why you're going to want to get them. Hello, thank you for joining us. Tyler from SportRx, I'm an optician here with my buddy Ryan. We're talking Costas, we're talking polarized, we're talking why that matters to you. If this is interesting to you, if you find this information valuable, definitely click that subscribe button. We have tons more content like this, and we would love you to join us. If you feel like we didn't cover enough, comment down below questions. We will get back to you. If you want to get somebody on the phone, call us. You will get a live person. Let's just jump into this. It's a really easy question to answer. Are Costas polarized?
Yes, they are all polarized. It's for some reason, it's a question that gets asked us a lot, and it's a question we can answer very easily within a couple seconds. It's yes. But Tyler, I think we want to dive into why are they all polarized and what's the technology and everything behind them that they got going on.
So polarized, they all are, absolutely. And it doesn't matter whether you're getting them in prescription or in non-prescription. And if you didn't know, Costa does their own lenses in prescription. And boy, are they great lenses. And yes, polarized. Polarized is great because it's gonna cut glare off of other objects. It's the only thing that does that. You'll get other lenses that'll reduce light transmission, but it won't cut glare off of other objects. These will do both. It reduces light transmission and it cuts glare bouncing off of water, bouncing off the asphalt, bouncing off of other vehicles, windshields.
Any shiny object, really.
Any shiny object. It's gonna cut through that glare. It's gonna make it easier for you to see. Optics are better, but the 580, which is what is unique to Costa, is what really matters, and that's why you're gonna wanna buy them.
Yeah.
What is 580?
Costa's 580 lenses, what do? They're gonna block all the bad HEV blue light. They're gonna enhance the reds, greens, and blues, and they're gonna filter out that harsh yellow light, which is at that 580 mark to give you a more defined and precision look that when you're out looking out at pretty much anything in the world.
That's what 580 means. So it helps to boost and separate colors, gives you just better optics. It cuts through that annoying light and color that you don't really need that much, and it helps to enhance all the other colors. Whether you're using them for fishing or just everyday use or on the beach, they're gonna serve you so well. We love Costa. They make a great product. That's why it's so easy to stand behind it. So I promise you, you're gonna want these. Go try them on, call us, we'll send you some. We wanna help you out and we wanna get you into some Costas.
Yeah, definitely. And another thing to know is all 7 colors that tints that Costa offers, they will be polarized. So whatever one you get, they are gonna be polarized. You don't have to worry about, oh, is this tint one? Like, no, they're all polarized and they were gonna do the job and have that 580 technology. So that's a good little note to know.
Really hope this information was helpful to you. Again, comment down below if we didn't cover enough. Call us, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
See you.
Less than average. Costa sunglasses. Are they polarized? We'll find out. Is that good? Roig. Okay, Costas, are they polarized? Yep. Thanks for watching.